Today, in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are the Spice Girls. Meet Sporty and Baby. Wah. And we are making the hottest spice around. Not temperature-wise, like it should be in everybody's rack. Za'atar or Za'atar, depending how you pronounce it. You are going to see this Middle Eastern spice taken over this year. Za'atar. What does it mean? It means thyme in Arabic. How do you like that? T-H-Y-M-E, not thyme, T-I-M-E.
So we're gonna make our own spice mix. You can buy it in the store ready mix, but I like to do it ourselves because it's super easy. So we have roasted sesame seeds.
Roasted sesame seeds, check.
Sumac. And what's
Sumac?
Smell it. It's citrusy, it adds a little bit of sweetness.
Yes.
Okay.
I think I just inhaled some sumac.
Oregano.
Oregano.
Thyme.
Thyme, like the name. That's why it's called Za'atar.
Yep. Salt.
Salt.
And you're ready. Mix it up.
That's it?
That's it. So you mix it up. It can store for, as long as you keep it in a cool, dry spot, you can keep this spice for months in your drawer. Not too many months, but say 2-3 months.
Okay,
just to keep it fresh.
So how am I going to use this?
There are so many uses for Za'atar. So the first thing we've done is grilled chicken. You can marinate it in Za'atar, lemon juice, garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper, and you have a flavorful grilled chicken. Oh, I like this. This feels really good.
We're close, I'm learning.
You are.
I'm in learning mode.
We can put it in a salad dressing. So we've made a salad here. We have coated the pita. Oh, yeah? Well, can you wait till we're all dressed and then I'll serve you?
Sure.
Okay, so it's in your dressings. You can also just sprinkle it over any food that's ready cooked. We've sprinkled it over hummus, so it just adds a little bit of flair to it.
You spice up my life.
That is really...
You spice up my life. You give me cause to carry on.
If I feed you, will you stop singing?
Denied.
I don't want any anymore.
Oh, are you sad?
Hurt.
Sorry. Okay, so we are ready to eat. For this Za'atar blend recipe, see below.
And to get this awesome spice in your life, hit like, hit subscribe, and check us out at bitememore.com. Yes.
That is really...
You spice up my life. You give me